today we are going to discuss about some question answer and numerical problems related to electricity and magnetism. First, we should have to discuss about question answer, in which some definition type of question answer and some give reason type of question answer we will discuss. Now the first question is, why electric bulb are filled with argon? First question, we should have to give a reason because there is a why question. Why electric bulb are filled with argon? In a electric bulb, like this type of filament lamp, in a filament lamp, there is one filament which is made up of tungsten and which give a light on 2900 degrees Celsius, and its melting point is light and melting point is 3400 degrees Celsius. When this tungsten filament is on contact with oxygen, then it became oxidized. When it oxidized, then its temperature became high. जब यो अक्सिजनसँग के हुन्छ त मिट हुन्छ, अक्सिजनसँग मिट भएपछि के हुन्छ त यो बर्निङ हुन्छ. जब बर्निङ हुँदै जान्छ, this is oxidation process. On this oxidation process, this filament became melt. Then this bulb became damaged. So we should have to fill with inert gas. Inert gas सँग हामीले fill गर्नु पर्यो. This means argon. 8 on periodic table, on the last group 8, there is helium, neon, argon, like this type of gas are filled on there. And sometimes there is the nitrogen gas also filled on there, but this is not applicable. Nitrogen also sometimes react with this filament, then this lifetime or lifespan of this filament bulb will be decreased. When we use the inert gas, this does not react with filament at any temperature. Write down the answer. Filament bulb are filled with argon gas because it is inert in nature and does not react with filament of the bulb. So the bulb can give light for long time or long duration. This is better. In this way, we have to write answer. Sometime this question will be modified with some gas. Argon नलेखेर argon को ठाउँमा कुनै अरु पनि लेखेको हुन्छ. In this case also, you should have to erase this argon हटाउने. Then all answer are same. जुन बल्ब भित्र युज गरिने ग्यास छ त्यो फिलामेन्ट सँग रियाक्सन गर्नु हुँदैन. This is the main fact. जब त्यसले रियाक्सन गर्छ, this became oxidized हुन्छ, or the filament bulb cannot give a proper functioning. Here the filament bulb are filled with argon gas because it is inert in nature. Inert in nature means it does not react. It does not react. Okay, this is the main reason. Next question, why we cannot use tungsten in heating device? You should have to know heating element and lighting element. जुन मेटलहरुले त्यसमा हिट दिँदा अथवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास गर्दा हामीलाई हिट मात्रै दिन्छ. This is heating element, like this type of Nichrome and other. And here is tungsten. Tungsten ले के गर्छ त 2900 डिग्री सेल्सियस सम्म 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस सम्म हिट भयो भने यसले के दिन्छ त लाइट दिन्छ. When we passes the high voltage, then it gives or it start to emit the light. But the nichrome does not emit light. Nichrome ले के गर्दैन त light emit गर्न सक्दैन. So it is better for heating element because it has a high resistance and low radiation, like the lighting effect, and it has a high lighting effect and high resistance. जुन बडी रेजिस्टेन्स हुन्छ तिनीहरु नै के हुने हो त एकदमै छिटो मात्रामा तात्ने हो. And the tungsten has high resistance but does not give heating effect. एकदमै बडी मात्रामा हिट भयो भने के हुन्छ त यो पग्लिन सक्छ. But the nichrome does not melt on this temperature. Nichrome लाई के हुन्छ त मेल्ट हुनको लागि नि एकदमै हाई टेम्परेचर चाहिन्छ. Nichrome is a alloy. It is a mixture of nickel and chromium. Chromium र निकल को के हो त यो मिक्सचर बाट बनेको alloy हो. So our question is, why cannot we use tungsten in heating element? Tungsten लाई किन heating element को रूपमा युज गर्न सकिन्न त? किनकि it does not give a proper heat and its melting point is low, so on high temperature it became melted. Now next question is, what is the melting point of tungsten? As melting point of tungsten is 3400 degree Celsius. Why is mercury vapor filled in the tube light? Tube light. This is an example of tube light. Here is anode and cathode. Anode and cathode. Here is the voltage supply. And here is switch on, switch sensor. And here is one choke coil. This is the structure of tube light or fluorescent lamp. This is same. Fluorescent lamp हामीले के गर्छौं त यहाँदेखि हिट दिन्छौं. Heat means electric energy दिन्छौं. Electric energy is transferred to the this inside this mercury vapor. Then mercury vapor electron is excited. यो एटममा भएको के हुन्छ त इलेक्ट्रोन हुन्छ. यो इलेक्ट्रोन के गर्छ त चल्न थाल्छ. While this electron is move and they strike each other. जब मर्क्युरी एटमहरु एक आपसमा ठोक्किन्छन्, then इलेक्ट्रोनहरु पनि के हुन्छन् त ठोक्किन थाल्छन्. Then there is the production of UV rays. Mercury is filled up in the tube light or fluorescent lamp to produce the UV rays by colliding mercury is used in tube light or fluorescent lamp because fluorescent lamp to produce UV rays by colliding electrons and molecules of mercury atom. हामीले यसरी मर्क्युरी र उसबाट UV rays निकाल्छौं. Then why fluorescent powder is used in mercury lamp or tube light भनेर पनि क्वेशन आउन सक्छ. हामीले किन युज गरेको रहेछ त mercury to produce UV rays by colliding electron and mercury atom. Mercury atom र UV rays हरु collide गर्नको लागि. And fluorescent powder is used to convert UV rays into white light. Or visible light. Visible light produce गर्नको लागि UV rays लाई visible light मा produce गर्नको लागि हामीले के गरिन्छ त fluorescent powder को use गरिन्छ. Our next question is, what is electromagnet? Electromagnet is a magnet magnetic property develop on the current carrying conductor. Current pass गरेको कुनै एउटा कन्डक्टरमा त्यसमा magnetic property develop हुन्छ भने this is electromagnet. The magnetic properties develop on a conductor or current carrying conductor is called electromagnet. Or the magnetic property develop on the magnetic substance due to the electron or the current flow is called electromagnet. Develop on conductor due to flow of current or electricity. Flow of current is electricity. Electricity अथवा current flow भएर त्यसमा के हुन्छ त magnetic properties develop हुन्छ भने this is electromagnet. And next question, why is electric motor? What is electric motor? Electric motor is a electric device which convert electric energy into mechanical energy or which convert electricity into motion. Electric motor को काम electric motor is the electric device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy or electricity into motion. Electricity लाई नै के गर्ने त मोशन मा चेन्ज गरिन्छ. This is electric motor. Now next question, what is the principle of generator? The principle of generator is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. Principle of generator is electromagnetic induction. Okay, next question. What is the full form of CFL? CFL. Compact fluorescent lamp. This is the full form of CFL. The next question is, why 40 watt of fluorescent lamp and 40 watt of filament lamp gives the different intensity of light? 40 watt को के छ त फ्लोरेसेंट ल्याम्प छ, अर्को पनि के छ त 40 वाट को नै फिलामेंट ल्याम्प छ. Which one is more bright? कुन चाहिँ बढी ब्राइट हुन्छ त? Obviously, filament lamp convert only 10%. This efficiency is 10% and this is 30%. हामीले दिएको सेम इनर्जी छ, सेम पावर छ, सेम पावरका बल्बहरूले के गर्छन् त उताबाट आएको इनर्जी जुन इलेक्ट्रिक इनर्जी छ यसले 30% लाई लाइटमा कन्भर्ट गर्छ, यसलाई 10% लाई मात्रै लाइटमा कन्भर्ट गर्छ. Obviously 30% भनेको त धेरै हो नि. So 30% light convert गर्ने. This is more bright. Why this is more bright? Because it converts 30% of input electrical energy into light energy. यसले के गर्छ त fluorescent lamp ले 30% convert गर्छ. But the filament lamp converts only 10% of electric energy or input electric energy into light energy. And our next question, what is the difference between tungsten and nichrome? Difference between tungsten and nichrome. Tungsten is a lighting element. Tungsten is a lighting element. It is heating element. Its melting point is 3400 degrees Celsius. Its melting point is more than 3400 degrees Celsius. जो चाहिँ एलोय भएको हुँदाखेरि के हुन्छ त? This is pure metal. This is alloy of nickel and chromium. This is alloy of nickel and chromium. यतिसम्म डिफरेन्स जान्नु पर्यो. What is the difference between the electricity obtained from dynamo and a cell? Electricity from dynamo, electricity from cell or dry cell. We get a AC current from dynamo, we get a DC current from cell. Cell provides the stable it is a stable source of electric energy. It is unstable source. While we are using cell, it gives 1.5 volt or 3 volt, like this type of voltage it's provide. But while you using dynamo's energy, it is unstable. हामीले जति छिटो घुमाउँछौँ it gives the high voltage, while we does not give high motion to the turbine, then it does not give high energy. These are the differences. Why a transformer does not have equal number of primary and secondary winding? एउटा ट्रान्सफर्मरमा दुवैतर्फका फन्काहरू कोइलहरू किन बराबर हुँदैनन्? This is our question. This is N1 and input is V1. Output is V2 and winding number of turn is N2. Why N1 does not equal to N2? Number of turnहरू किन इक्वल हुँदैन त? Because we have to transformer is used to step up or step down the voltage on हामीले यताबाट दिएको भोल्टेज र यताबाट निस्कने भोल्टेजलाई के गर्छौं त सानो ठुलो बनाउनको लागि हामीले के गर्छौं त ट्रान्सफर्मर युज गर्छौं. But while using this equal number of these turns, then V1 upon N1 equal to V2 upon N2. This is the principle of transformer. These two become equal, then these are cut off, then V1 equal to V2. जति हामीले इनपुट दिन्छौं त्यति नै आउटपुट हुन्छ. This is meaningless. So the number of turns are not equal in transformer. Now next question. Why the transformer is used in different electrical devices? Transformer किन different electrical deviceहरुमा युज गरिन्छ त? कुनै पनि डिभाइसहरुमा हामीले 220 भोल्टको इनपुट दिन्छौं. हाम्रो सप्लाई यति हुन्छ भने इनपुट हुन्छ भने तर हामीलाई त्यो डिभाइसको लागि त्यति इनपुट आवश्यक नहुन सक्छ. So whatever we need or whatever this device need, then that amount of electric supply we should have to maintain by using a transformer. By using a transformer in a device, we can maintain the amount of electric or input voltage maintain गर्न सकिन्छ. त्यो डिभाइसको लागि चाहिने इनपुट भोल्टेज मेन्टेनको लागि हामीले हरेक डिभाइसहरुमा ट्रान्सफर्मर युज गर्ने गरिन्छ. This much for this question answer section.